Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the Niagara Falls and it is the most visited place in Canada. So the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls is packed with a lot of activities that you and your kids can do. And it'll almost take you the whole day to do so. From sky wheel to horror houses, from arcade games to casinos, there's definitely something for you out here. Clifton Hill, known as the Street of Fun, is the entertainment hub of Niagara Falls, offering a vibrant, carnival-like atmosphere packed with attractions for all ages. Visitors can explore everything from thrilling 60 zombie-like rides to breathtaking views of the Niagara Sky Wheel and quirky experiences like Ripley's Museum. There are two falls in Niagara, the American Falls and the Canadian Falls. American Falls is significantly smaller than the Canadian Falls, so that's one of the reasons why Niagara on the Canadian side is more crowded than the US side. Plus, you'd get a better view of both the falls from the Canadian side because of the geographical advantage that Canada has. Imagine yourself right at the heart of Niagara Falls. The onboard Niagara cruise takes you there. As the boat pulls away from the dock, you can feel the anticipation building. This is your front row seat to one of the most powerful natural wonders on the planet. The closer you get, the more mist surrounds you, and the roar of the water fills your ears. It's not just a view, it's an experience. You'll sail past the American Falls, but the real highlight is when you approach the base of the mighty Horseshoe Fall, also known as the Canadian Falls. The sheer power of water crashing down is both breathtaking and humbling. And don't you worry about getting soaked because your complimentary poncho has got you covered. Whether you're here in the bright daylight or catching the magical glow of the falls under the evening lights and fireworks, this cruise brings you closer to the Niagara Falls than you have ever imagined. It's more than just a boat ride. It's a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. You would definitely feel the shocks coming from the falls on the board, so make sure you're holding on to something. Now, there are some great hotels from where you can get this amazing view. This one is from Embassy Suites. However, you can get this view for free from the Grand View restaurant. This is where you would have to fight tooth and nail to get a view of the falls. But you don't have to worry because I did that for you. The street's walkability makes it easy to hop between arcade games, mini golf, wax museums, and more, while its neon light and lively vibe create an electric energy, especially at the night. Located just steps from Niagara Falls, Clifton Hill is the perfect spot to complement your visit to Niagara Falls, with fun and immersive experience that appeal. So the firecrackers lit up the sky every night at 10 p.m. in the summers and in special events in the winters such as New Year's Eve and Christmas. There's also a night boat in Niagara especially to see the firecrackers. It's a bit costlier than the usual one, but I'd say it's worth it. I think Niagara Falls looks better in the night. Let me know in the comment section whether you like the day part or the night part. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section which location I should cover next. Till then, take care.